So this is the upgraded CareSky Pro. This is the foot massager, calf massager, arm massager, and it has compression. It has different modes. And yeah, so here's how it works. You have buttons on the front here, or you can use the remote control. So that way you can easily hit that while you're further away from it. So we could power this thing on. Let's just go ahead and put the calves in there for now. So they just kind of slide in right there. Ooh, that's gonna feel nice. You can already tell. Been standing all day. Turn this thing on and it starts immediately. It does just plug into the wall, and yeah, you love it. It's got heating on it, and you can either like change it so if you didn't want compression and you just wanted the massage, or if you just wanted compression and no massage, you can adjust it that way, or you can have both. So you can even adjust the pressure, and there's a screen down there that shows you which mode you're in, so you can get all the way up to P5, which is the highest amount of compression pressure. Oh man, it's squeezing my calves. Oh, that feels so good. So you can also adjust the massage. You have 3 different modes of massage here, and you have sleep, which turns off the screen. So if you're trying to sleep to it, you don't want that bright light. And then you have a timer. You can set it on to, let it go off automatically. So the other cool thing about it, like I said, it's more of a foot massager. I mean, like it is an arm massager, so you could throw your arms down there if it's on a table or something. So this part right here just goes like that. I love the handle too. Great for like transporting it if you need to around the house. But yeah, you could set it down like that. Throw your feet in there. Oh, that feels so good on my feet already. It's got like these little guys that are moving around, just kneading at your feet. And then yeah, you could throw that compression on there and it will squeeze your feet. This thing is awesome. After a long day of walking, working, whatever, you just want to sit back, relax, and just let your feet rejuvenate. This is the way to do it. You will love it. Everyone that's used it loves it. Every time people come over, this is where they go. And that sounds kind of gross, but that's okay, because you can also take these off and wash them, because you can zip it, unzip it, throw it in the washing machine, and they're just good as new. So great, awesome little device, great, awesome massaging gadget. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.